So the first thing we'll be doing here is to add our data, all the data we need. Come to this side, then navigate to our working directory. Then I need the boundary shape file. We can basically add all, then remove the ones we don't need. So let me just put off every layer first. So from this, we do not need the scene data. Remove this. Then which other? I think that's the only data we do not need. So the first thing I'll be putting you through is how to create the drape. So before creating the drape, we have to do hue shading. Then we have to now project it into 3D. So for that, we'll be using our DTM. We'll be using our DTM and DSM. But for the first one, let's use our DSM. So we'll right click on this DSM. First, enable the layer. So you notice that in arc scene, you can move it in 360 at angle of 360. Then right click on your DSM, click on properties. For better view, go to symbology here, then right click on this color ramp, uncheck this graphics view, then click on the drop down and select elevation 1, then apply and just click OK. So we have this view. Then open our arc toolbox. So next thing to do is the relief shading. When you open arc toolbox, navigate to special analyst tools here, open it, then navigate to the surface, then click on hue shade or double click on hue shade, then select the raster. The raster here is our DSM. So we'll be calling this our DSM shade, and save. Then leave the remaining as with their default values and just select OK. So automatically it creates the hue shade. Depending on the ability of the system, it will take much more time for some people, while it will be faster for some. So my hue shade is ready, so I can just close this layer. If you can notice, it's already looking like 3D, but it's still a flat surface. It's still a flat surface if you notice, if you look at it here. So now to now convert it into 3D, I'll right click on this DSM shade, click on properties, then go to this base height up here, then click on floating on a custom surface. So under this floating on a custom surface, we will come here and select our DSM. Since we are working with the DSM, then you click on apply and select OK. Automatically we can see that it's now in 3D. Now how do we drape our image? This is the image we have here. We want to drape this image on this particular DSM. So we'll right click on the image on the GOT file, then click on properties. The same procedure, go to base height, then click on floating on a custom DTM. Then now come here and you can click on your DSM. So after DSM, then you click on apply and say OK. So automatically it should create that. Okay, the layer is not checked. So now let me put off this layer, and you can see that it's showing us the image in 3D. This is our draped image. The image has been created in such a way that it looks exactly how it is on our DSM. So this is what draping is all about.